In America, they'd say, "That's my grandmother's house." In Posh English, this is, "My grandmother lives there." In Cockney London, they might say, "That's my grandmother's ass." "That is my grandmother's ass." "That's my nan's ass." Nor ass. Ass. House. In fucking Birmingham, they may say, "Tommy, that there is our grandmother's house." Mate. In bloody Australia, they may say, "G'day, that's my nana's ranch." "G'day, that's my nana's ranch. That's where she keeps the kangaroos, mate." Whereas in Wales, this might be, "That's Zowernansowse. See our house there? That's Zowernansowse." So Z or Z is for, "That's Zowernansowse. Let's pop in and get a couple of bars of chocolate off hers, eh? Oh, Nan to live here. That's Nans." Or maybe if you're a little bit chavtastic, "That's our Nan's house, that is. Let's pop in and see if she got any fags." So have a good day, follow for more, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share wherever you're watching this to help me beat the algorithm. Thanks very much, and have a good day. I still don't know about the mouth twist, but some people like it, so there it is.